We're headed out on another adventure today.
Welcome to the Canary Islands.
This would never fly in the United States.
Although I haven't been to Egypt, this is what I kind of imagine Egypt would look like.
This looks so cool. Let me show you.
Challenge accepted.
We're headed out on another adventure today. Let's see where we end up.
I've been feeling so small.
Let's go.
Ticking off the wall. But tonight
So today we're headed to the north side of the island. It's about a 45-minute drive to where we're headed. We are going to a volcano and the sand dunes. Not sure what they're like or what to expect, so we'll find out together. Another thing we really like about Spain is how well maintained the roads are. The roads are super new. This is all throughout Spain that we've seen, and we've been to about 10 Spanish cities at this point. The roads are similar to what we're used to in the US. You drive on the right side of the road. The lanes are pretty wide. People follow road rules the same as we're used to in the US, and it's very comfortable. So renting a car in Spain is definitely doable. There are many countries in Europe that we would not drive in just because the traffic laws are so different and the way people drive is so different. But Spain is very comfortable to rent a car and drive. So iMaps just told us to take this dirt road. My husband's giving me the side eye, like, did you really research this? No, I didn't expect this dirt road. There's another tourist over there, way over there. We got one other crazy tourist like us. Just as I was saying, Spanish roads are nice. Okay, we do see one other car ahead of us, another crazy tourist like us. Rory's sleeping through this. Sage giving me the bombastic side eye. Okay, half mile to over there. Not sure where we're going. I'm really questioning whether we're on a road or this is the walking trail, because the walking trail was supposed to be 3 miles. There's a parking lot. Oh, there is a parking lot with other cars.
Oh,
we're not the only crazy ones. Do we still need to walk 3 miles? The other crazies like us that just went up that dirt path. We've also heard that the chipmunks like to be fed here. Hopefully they don't jump in our car.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
I'm gonna show you the view. Okay, anyways, that's the crater right up there. Basically, the crater is up there, and we're walking from here all the way up there.
Ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
The reason why we aren't wearing tennis shoes is because with the red volcanic sand, it would ruin our tennis shoes. So with these sandals, they like wash really easily. You can put them in the shower or wash them. It doesn't really matter. And they're just from Target and they work really well. And yeah.
Gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
The landscape near the volcano made us feel like we were on Mars. But with these little cute chipmunks everywhere.
Get away. Shh. I don't have it. Up in casa.
Okay, we are hiking upwards now. It's getting a little steep. Ooh, I almost just tripped. I should pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay.
Stopping now. I'm gonna skip.
It's really steep now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up.
When we got to the top, it was really windy and we could see all the way down into the crater. A crater is a location where a volcano erupted. Calderon Hondo is one of the most popular volcanoes in Fuerteventura. This volcano is said to be 50,000 years old and it's nearly 985 feet tall.
Make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive.
The crater is 230 feet deep and it's one of the most well-preserved craters on the island. One of the cutest things about being up here is the chipmunks are everywhere.
Don't go closer to the thing. Back up. And now it's time to make our way back down. It is very steep, so I'm gonna put the camera away so I can focus on getting down safely.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just walk.
Oh, hello, buddy. All 4 of us made it safely down, and now we're just walking back to the car.
My family and I, we thought it would be a lot longer, but it ended up being shorter than we thought.
The girls have been wanting to feed the chipmunks the entire time, and we waited to the end of the trail to let them feed the chipmunks. Let's see if they come. We bought these queso chips the other day, and it ended up being like a stinky cheese chip, and we hated it. I guess we'll see if the chipmunks like them.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm
I don't know who likes the Cheetos more, Dad or the chipmunks. Oh my gosh, the lizard's eating it. No way. That's so crazy.
in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
There you go, buddy.
Mars, nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Needless to say, we thoroughly enjoyed feeding the chipmunks. And we fed them every last snack we had in our car.
And on to the next spot. So now we're headed to some sand dunes, and we'll probably stop for a little something to eat as well. We're like legit driving through volcano canyons right now. This would never fly in the United States. This would be like some kind of national park. They would not have roads through the canyons of a volcano. This is so crazy. I don't know if you remember from some of my other vlogs where I was really nervous about icy roads. I'm also really nervous about one lane roads around turns. So I'm just having him like blare the horn the whole time.
Trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though
I'm back to regular roads again.
The drive from the volcanoes to the sand dunes was only about 20 minutes.
We weren't sure what to expect, but this actually looks so cool. There's like these big sand mountains. Can't wait to like climb up on them and like, I don't know if you can slide down or what, but this is gonna be fun.
Although I haven't been to Egypt, this is what I kind of imagine Egypt would look like.
This looks so cool. Let me show you.
leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
This kind of looks like a huge beach.
I'm on my way now.
I challenge you to run to the top of that hill and roll down.
Challenge accepted. So we began the journey up this big, huge sand mountain.
I don't know if the camera picks up how big this is, but it's big, it's huge.
Then Sage began the challenge of trying to roll down the sand dune. Rory tried to slide down, but it didn't work too well. Then Mom decided to come up and join the fun.
I'm on my way now.
Mom even tried rolling down the sand dune as well, but as it turns out, it actually makes you really dizzy.
I came back to get the camera so I can give you the perspective from up there. It's so neat. It's like the sand meets the sky, and there's like a big plateau of sand up there. I'm out of breath because I'm like climbing sand dunes, but okay, see you in a second. So crazy the colors here. It's like where the sand meets the sky. Like normally you'd see sand against the water.
I don't even think the camera is picking up the contrast of the colors. It was incredible.
Now we're getting to the other side where the water is, so we're really
So guys, it is so windy up here that the sand is hurting my legs, like it's coming towards me. So like it's like hurting my legs. See, I don't know if you can imagine. It feels like the tunnel's hitting you. And then the wind is like, you can see my hair right now. It's like it's all going back. We drove the 40-minute drive back to our hotel, and the coastline views were just extraordinary.
Look at that color.
Wowza.
I'm doing slow mo just so I can try to catch it.
Wowza.
Wowza.
Wowza. When we got back to the hotel, we got all dressed up for dinner. And we had quite the dinner in store, and we didn't even know it.
You may remember in our last episode we were talking about we getting a lot of stares because we're American and Americans don't usually come to this island. We just made change again at the change station, and the guy that was running this stand said the last American he saw was Angelina Jolie when she came here to film a movie in 2019. So we thought that was kind of funny.
We went downtown for dinner, and we came across this Portuguese restaurant that we had to try. The owner of this restaurant was really hospitable and even came out to say hello to us.
Visão ao mundo, né? E então Portugal não lhe tocou as Canárias.
The food was so good, Mom almost forgot to film everything.
How do you do a heart?
Mine's like this.
Okay. So mom is like this.
Okay, and then
What is that? How do you? Okay, John, try to do it.
This.
I don't know. How many lessons did it take for you guys?
one.
How did you learn this?
For dessert, we had some pastel de natas, and Sage and I had some chocolate mousse. They brought us orange juice and the Michelle.
It's port wine. That's the bill.
After dinner, we stopped at this convenience store to buy some toiletries we needed for travel.
We were buying Pantene and we're in the Canary Islands and we're still using Pantene.
Pantene, sponsor us.
I want to know you, but I don't know how. Cause every time I bump right into
1 mile complete. Now it's time to run back to the hotel.
me, but I'm way too shy.
After one whole week, it's time to go.
Getting the
This lounge in the Canary airport has a sunning area. How cool is that?
It's enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared. I wish that I could listen to the voice.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye!
Give it a go.